Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and I have come up with a new subscription box which is known as Frizeal. This box comes in three variants: Shimmer mini bag, Shimmer bag and Glitz bag. So I chose for Shimmer mini bag because I wanted to try out their stuff, how everything comes. Buy this box and you can buy it on Instagram. All the details will be there in the description box, so do check it out. So let's just open this and we'll see one by one what all I have received. So you can see this is how everything came, nicely bubble wrapped, very nice packaging I will say. So this is how it came. I got an option to choose colors. I guess there were 6 colors and I chose this color because I really liked it. This is quite unique. So the quality of the bag is really nice. So in the mini bag, we will be getting a mini sling bag with 3 jewelry items. So it comes with this belt, so I can use this as a sling bag also. So there are 2 compartments and the quality of the bag is really nice. So this bag is worth rupees 549 excluding shipping charges, and the shipping charge is 50 rupees. In total you will be paying 599, in which you will be getting one bag, sling bag, one jewelry case, 2 jewelry piece in the bag, and this bag is really nice with a very nice tassel over down, and tassels are so much in fashion and I just love this bag. Let's talk about this jewelry case. This is such a cute jewelry case. It's small and it's so cute. With all animal printed design. So this is the earrings I have received. I got an option to choose earrings and neck piece. So I choose this earring, which is really very beautiful. So this is the first product I have received, and for neck piece also I got an option to choose. So I chose this neck piece as Navratri is coming. So this will actually go with if I wear a kurti while going for Garba. So this will actually look very nice. So I chose this. Let me take it out. So this is how the neck piece looks like. It's so classy, it's so delicate, just my type. It has some small colored stone in it, and even this has nice tassel going down. This is a long chain and I'm in love with this neck piece also. It's so beautiful, and the quality of the jewelry is really very nice. So guys, this is all I have received in my this month's Frizeal mini shimmer bag. I'm really happy with the jewelry. The quality of jewelry is amazing. This I can use it as a clutch and I can use it as a sling bag. The jewelry case is amazing. The earring, the neck piece is also amazing. I'm really happy with all the stuff I have received. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot to me. Please like, please share, please comment what you like about this subscription box. Please let me know your opinions and stay tuned for more. Have a nice day. Bye.